Good morning. I'm David Armendariz.
And this is the beginning of the end.
And this is Lucas Group Today.
No. God, Lucas Group Today.
I know.
Good.
So big topic right now, probably. Hot topic, actually. LinkedIn. Right? Everybody asks about LinkedIn. How many questions do you get about LinkedIn every week?
Lots of questions
right?
about LinkedIn.
Show me what's the best way to do my profile.
Yeah, number one.
Right?
Don't take a selfie in the car.
No car selfies,
Yeah.
please. No car selfies.
Or if you are going to take it, please don't wear your seatbelt.
Or can we say bathroom selfies?
Yeah, no bathroom selfies.
No bathroom selfies, but absolutely professional looking photo. And it doesn't even have to be a professional headshot.
No.
Just something that makes you look good.
Just something with just you, preferably not
Right.
your dog,
Right.
your girlfriend, your boyfriend.
Or a strange background.
Yeah,
No.
or upside down.
Or filters. Can we
Yeah.
say no
No
Instagram
filters,
filters?
no Snapchat
Instagram
filters,
No.
yeah.
So picture important, right? What's second to that? What'd you say?
You know, I think outside of that, definitely like making sure that we're getting a little bit of a sense of you, like just putting your career on there, like not giving me any idea of what you do. Like I want to know accomplishments.
Right.
I want to know I want to know what you did. Like what
Right.
are the results?
Right.
Also, like try to make sure that you're not lying. It's just a suggestion.
Honesty is important.
Yeah, honesty is important.
Because that will come out in the end somewhere.
Without question.
Right?
My clients, first thing they do, pull up the resume, pull up the LinkedIn. Oh wait.
So big important thing most people don't think about. Does your LinkedIn page match your resume?
Yeah.
If it doesn't, big questions.
Yeah,
Big red flag?
Big questions.
Big red flag.
Yeah, what else do we look for?
Honestly, who else you're connected to?
Yeah.
I mean, let's be honest. Good people know good people.
Good people.
So if you don't have connections or you don't have a lot of good connections, your stock kind of drops a little bit.
Yeah,
you know?
I would agree with that.
Let's be honest, it does.
Recommendations.
It's okay. It's great. It's icing on the cake, but not important.
Take it or leave it.
Right.
And it's not something I look for.
Right.
Yeah, outside of that.
I think that's it.